Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sil Gonzalez and I'm the maker on DIY Belizean Mommy and owner of Sil's Water Lily DIY Design. And today we'll be taking you guys along as we decorate for a Valentine theme tea party. So I know Valentine has gone and I never posted this video because of certain things that came up personally, and I was very disappointed. But anyways, I thought I would still drop the video in here for you guys sometime this week and just still show you guys what I did, and hopefully this inspires you to do a party as well right at home with those you live with. And yeah, like this party was Valentine theme, but you can totally do this for an anniversary or some birthday or some other just nice tea party. You don't have to involve the EXO stuff and all that good thing, but you can definitely involve the florals, which I am hoping to get videos out on how I made these paper peonies. I want to say they look like peonies. That's the look that I was going for, and roses. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to get that video out to you guys soon and show you guys how I made these. And they're easy to make, fun to make, and you could buy the supplies at any local store. So here I'm just trying to figure out what I wanted. I had in mind the theme that I was going for, but still yet I had like all my decorating stuff out, and I just kind of wanted to see more or less what I wanted. You could see here I went back and forth between choosing florals, between choosing different things that I wanted on the table. Keep in mind when you're decorating, keep in mind if you're gonna be having food display on that same table as the table you're eating, you want to save space out for your food, and especially if it's a bigger platter. As you can see later on in the video, I had a charcuterie board kind of thing. It wasn't a board, it was just a big platter with all different kind of snacks, finger food, and I wish that I kept that in mind when I was decorating, which it wasn't that hard to just stick it in there, but you want to keep in mind that you're gonna not only be putting decorations down on this table, you're gonna be putting down your plates, your forks, your spoons, your cups, and your food. Now we thought that maybe we'd do food at the little teepee tent that you're gonna see later on, but decided that we better not, because we had some smaller kids, or two smaller babies at the tea party, and it would be best to just keep it on the table. And so, but that is totally optional to put your food on the table. It gives the table a nice look, but it also fills up the table a lot. So before you go ahead and start decorating and stuff, try to have a plan in mind, have an idea of what you want in mind, so that when you go to decorate now, you don't, you're not lost. You have an idea what you want and you go right into it. And what helps a lot is to get your stuff out that you want to use in that decoration. Put it all in one. Like you see here, I put all my stuff that I wanted to use more or less in a suitcase, and so that you could just put everything in there, and you don't have to be digging into all your stuff the day of the party. You have all your stuff out, you have it well organized. Even if you're doing a big event, you keep stuff for the table in one box, like centerpieces and everything that goes on that specific table. It is a lot of boxes if you would be doing a big event and have one box per table, but I'm telling you, that's saving you so much time once you're at that event setting up. It just helps so much to have a box for each table with the linens, with all the decoration, and with the utensils and whatever else goes on that table. It's just going to save you so much time, and your decorating time is just going to be cut down to way less, and you don't have to be running all over and going all over the place trying to figure out where stuff is at, and your workers know exactly how, like, before you go to that event, you set a table so your workers know exactly what look you're going for, and everybody knows what they're doing, because you're gonna plan an event for 5 o'clock, or they want you to get it done for 5 o'clock, and you're gonna be like, okay, this is very simple, it's just gonna take 2 hours. No, it's not gonna take 2 hours. It's gonna take 3 hours, 4 hours, especially if you're not organized and don't have your stuff ready on time. So just a little tip there for you guys to take into reconsideration when you're doing a party. Have your stuff out in boxes, whatever. It doesn't have to be fancy things. Just have it out and organized and know where specifically everything is gonna go. And that's just gonna save you a lot of time. So here I'm putting together a balloon garland, and I'm just sticking smaller balloons in open spaces. So I'm gonna be adding flowers into this, so I'm not adding that much balloons. And it was just a very small party, just for my mom and my sisters, and so I wasn't really that worried about filling in all the holes. Anyways, and another thing is to have your balloons blown up ahead of time. Do your balloons first before you do anything else, and you can store them in bags. These were double stuffed balloons, and so that's why the white is very white, the pink is very pink, and the red is very red, because I double stuffed them. I put another balloon into each other, however you want to say that. And I really love doing balloon garlands, and I was wondering if you guys would be interested in watching me put together balloon garlands. I'm not sure if I would be, my channel, I need to sit down with you guys and explain to you guys what you will be seeing on my channel, because I'm gonna go back and forth between decorations, baking, and cooking. And so in a way I feel like I'm so not organized. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and if you are, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you're not, turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. So here's the end result, you guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Bye.